Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro coming back at you again. This one is gonna be a super short video just for the beginners, you know what I'm saying? I know I got old videos on my channel, but I know that sometimes y'all just wanna see something new for your boy, you feel me? Y'all have been wildin', you know what I'm saying? Y'all have forgot a lot of the techniques I taught you, so I'm gonna have to be here to tell you all of the techniques again, you know what I'm saying? So this is gonna be how to grow your hair for beginners, or, you know what I'm saying, if you feel like you've swayed from the path of King Bro, we gonna get back into some of the most important things that you could be doing to make sure your hair is growing and to make sure your shit does not get any shorter, because a lot of y'all have made great gains, but you're pissing away your gains, son. You're pissing away the gains. You forgetting everything, all right? So let's go over 3 basic tips to make sure your joint keep growing. Let's get it. Alright, forgive me y'all, I gotta move fast cause my braider's on the loop. Hold up, man. Listen, bro. I know now, listen, if y'all watching this, I know my lips are getting kinda white on the video, alright? Don't say nothing about that. Just watch the damn video. Please watch the damn video. Don't worry about my lips, but please watch the video, alright? Let's be honest. It's gonna be pretty hard not to say something, so I want y'all to comment down below. Comment down below. Fry me up as hard as you can. Give me the best joke you got, because I was missing my chapstick that day. It was stressful. I was dehydrated. Give me your best joke right now down in the comments. Take your time. Make sure you get all the jokes out your system. If you got 2-3 jokes, leave them all down there, all right? Now, once you get the jokes out, please get back to the video and try to learn something. Thank you very much. Give me y'all, I gotta move fast cause my braider's on the way and I ain't even washing my hair yet, so I don't even know how I'm finna do this. But tip number 1, make sure you not sleeping on cotton, bro. I'm tired of telling y'all this, man. Stop sleeping on cotton. If it ain't silk satin, don't sleep on it. Get you a bonnet, get you a do-rag. I don't really care how you feel about it. When you sleep on cotton, you're literally pulling the hair out of your head, all right? And if you got short hair, that's a problem. If you got long hair, that's a problem, all right? Not only are you pulling the hair out of your head, you are literally sucking the moisture out of your hair. So no matter how good of the products you're using, if you're sleeping on cotton, you're pissing away your money. Stop sleeping on cotton. All right, number 2, shorty is gonna be pissed at me, boy. I'm talking about, I don't know how I'm finna do this, bro. She's on her way right now and I ain't untangled my hair, nothing. But number 2, get you a deep conditioner, bro. I don't care whether you got waves, I don't care whether you got curls, I don't care whether you got braids. When you take them braids out, you need to put some deep conditioner in there. Y'all know if you've been watching the channel, I only use Rich Royals, but this shit, I'm just be honest with you, this shit is always sold out, you know what I'm saying? So if you get one of the lucky ones, head over to richroyals.com and cop yours. But some very consistent deep conditioners that you know you can always get your hands on, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be Miels. Miels is one of the best deep conditioners, and I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. Miels is one of the best deep conditioners you can find, like, and they're probably almost never sold out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and get you that Miels if you know what I'm saying? If you walk by your local Target, your local Walmart, they probably got some Miels. And the other one, you know what I'm saying? The other one is going to be that Shea, that trusty, dusty Shea Moisture. You know what I'm saying? I know there's been rumors of stuff about the ingredients list, you know what I'm saying? But you an OG, you know what I'm saying? Well, if you watching my channel, you can watch enough videos, you're gonna become an OG. You know how to look at ingredients and see what's bad for your hair, what's good for your hair. This Shea Moisture is what I used when I first got started, you know what I'm saying, popping off before Rich Royals came into the picture. This is what you wanna use, you know what I'm saying? Get you a deep conditioner. It puts the moisture in your hair. And I don't know how to say this, but if you look anything like me, you know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? I don't know why I'm sweating. If you look anything like me, 9 out of 10 times you have type 3, type 4 hair. The hardest thing to do with people who have that type of hair on that type of spectrum is to keep your hair moisturized. Some of us get moisture in easily, but it's hard for us to retain it. And some of us, it's hard to get it in, but once you get it in, it's easy to retain it. But just know, getting your hair moisturized is the most important thing to hair growth, hair curls, all of that stuff. And this stuff, this deep conditioner, it helps your hair stay moisturized. Get some. All right, this is a tip that I don't really promote as much, but this is a key tip, man. A key tip that's helped me grow my hair. You see all this? Boom. Alright, and that is to drink pomegranate juice, man. Pomegranate juice. You see, pomegranate juice has a lot of amazing benefits, but mostly it helps the blood flow to your scalp so your hair grows more. And the better your blood flows, the more your hair grows. If you're still watching, comment that down below in this video. If you drink this shit and you're not drinking no water, it's not gonna work, you know what I'm saying? You gotta drink your water. Drink your water and drink a little pomegranate juice, you know what I'm saying? I say try to drink a cup at least 2 to 3 times a week, man. You know, full little cup. Not you don't gotta, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Not no double stacker, just a little, you know what I'm saying? Little schmedium cup pomegranate juice, man. As long as you drink your water, I promise you, your hair will grow. And not only will your hair grow, but You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I have some other stuff. So make sure you guys take all 3 tips into account, man. If you're still watching this and you're one of my advanced boys, make sure you comment advanced down in the comments, man. If you're a beginner, comment beginner. Ask all the questions you need to in the comments. And once again, it's King Brill. It's been good job. Peace. Real quick, man, it's crazy how y'all let me sit through that whole video with white lips, man. Y'all didn't say nothing. Nobody said anything to help me out. But it's alright, because I fixed the problem. Y'all ain't loyal. Tip number 3.